All right. Okay. Welcome back. So I had a blue screen. For some reason, my computer was showing me a blue screen. Hence, I had to restart it. Now, back to what I was saying. I was saying that this move to the downside, as it stands, it looks something familiar on the H4, which was this looks like a buy pattern to me, right? So if we get a reversal from here, I'll be looking for a buy to come up here, to come to this candle's high, to come to this candle's high. So watch the Aussie New Zealand for a move to the upside. If you look at the range that I've placed in here, that looks like similar. This is the range that made a new high. This low did not make a new high, so that's equal high. So this low was subject for them to be taken, and they did. And now they are looking to buy it back up again. So we looking for a buy once we get a reversal here. Okay. Now let's go quickly because I think I'm running out of time. Okay, the gold market is looking like it's retracing, but where we are now, I think it might reject and go back up again. The volume imbalance that we see on the daily over here, that's gonna act as resistance. That's gonna act as resistance. So let's see, because the way is coming back down aggressively. If the day closes as it is, then maybe we might be looking at something completely different. But I believe that it's just reaccumulation going on. It's nothing, I would say nothing major. The only problem is if we close through the volume imbalance, then there's a problem, right? Because then price might retrace further than what A is doing now. So let's see how this volume imbalance here is gonna behave or is gonna react. Crude oil. So crude oil, we went through the down candle. That means going forward, they're gonna come for this equal low. Yesterday, I was looking for a sell. It stopped me out, and then I bought it up to go. Let me quickly show the trade idea that I did. So yesterday over here, I was looking for a sell to come back down, and then it went through this fair value gap, and then I bought this gap here to go right here. So I took one trade short to go down, stopped me out. Then I took the long. That's the short, stopped me out. I actually closed it. I didn't wait for it to I didn't wait for it to stop me out because my stop loss was above this. As soon as this candle closed, then I closed that trade on that. And then I placed the buy limit here, went long, and then I closed it up there. Because I was expecting them to come into discount from here, but you can see they went up. And then when the news came out, price shot up and then down. Looking at how price is currently behaving, we are going to go for the 3 months low over here. So look for continuity to the downside on crude oil. they're gonna come back for this equal low. Maybe during the New York session they might give a trade idea. Watch this gap. It might give a trade idea from here to go for that equal lows, so watch that. And then finally ES did something similar, but I didn't get a profitable trade on it. Let me show you the execution. I made a mistake on the lower time frame. So instead of looking at the 15 minutes chart, I was focused only on the 5 minutes. So when price broke this fair value gap, when price broke that fair value gap, I was looking to sell short to break this and then continue going down, because I was expecting them to go down for the day, right? So when we took out the high and then we broke down, I was expecting them to continue going down. I think during the live session I said we will be attacking this low, right? During the purple line, they pushed it up to attack the previous day's high. So that's when I waited for the market to give me an idea. Then what happened was I waited for the close. I sold short here and then it stopped me out there. Then I went on the 15 minutes, then I understood why it stopped me out. So on the 15 minutes chart, this down candle was so active, and that's why it did not go down. And then I stopped looking at it because I went to do something, and then that happened. Okay, so going forward, I think we are gonna continue going down based on what I explained on the higher time frame. We are gonna probably have something similar to 2022. Okay, you're gonna have something similar to 2022. So if you want to understand, go back to 2022 and it will make sense right here. So it's kind of same price action, right? Down, move back up, then move down. That's what we might experience here. So we might come back up and then move down. This low is the drawn liquidity now. This low here. So ES drawn liquidity is 5394.25. Dollar yen, amazing. How price took out. Remember I was saying we are going to go down if you want to look for a sell, and that's where we at now. I was looking for just this and it went way beyond. Now based on the high time frame, I think we will continue going down to attack this low. So dollar yen, that's another good pair to hunt for trade ideas to continue going down. I just brought that in because I think it's a high probability directional move. All right. Okay. Let's quickly run through the crypto market, because it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Starting from touch key, we are looking for lower prices to break the down candle on the daily. Yeah, or to go through the gap. They have closed through it, so lower prices to attack this low. That's all. Dipping down, it couldn't reject the low, right? It traded through it aggressively, and then obviously we've continued going down. So right as it stands, I don't know, there's nothing here, there's nothing in here. So I can't give where we are likely to reverse. I can't give that. So let's see how far down they're gonna go, because on the H4, let me see if I can find something. I don't see anything on the H4 either, right? It's just a straight up candle. Let me see if I can get something on the hourly. Okay. And on the hourly, we have a fair value gap here. So that might be where price is going. Okay. Since they've already traded through that. Yep, they've already traded through that. So then this candle's low to here, which there is nothing. There's nothing there. So honestly, that will be the next target. That candle's low. All right. As it stands. XRP. That is the drawn liquidity, as we mentioned. 1.8976, and then 17694. That's the drawn liquidity. So look for continuation to the downside. Hype, amazing one as well. Yesterday we spoke about how price is going to reverse from this candle's high. It went there, went a little bit higher, that's fine, and then slam down to attack this low. I think there's nothing over here, so they will take out this low, and once that low is taken, I don't know what's going to happen next because there's no data, so we'll have to wait for more data. Ethereum, that level, and that's where they've reached. Bitcoin, you're gonna go for that and then continue going down. Solana, same thing, is heading for that low. AI16Z, the only one that we are still agreeing on for a buy. Notice how all these ones are dropping, but this is not dropping that much because it's being accumulated, in my opinion. And it only rejected from OTE, so that's fine. We might form another buy. So yeah, that's it. I had to go through this quickly because of time. Tomorrow, 1:30 we have NFP, and we will observe the NFP, and also hopefully, fingers crossed, we will have something on the Australian card and the New Zealand card for a potential buy if we can get the close above the previous day as we are looking for, right? These two, and then we can get a buy. In if you want to be early bird, okay, you can buy where we are, leave your stop below this low, and go on to the daily, leave your stop below this low here, okay, and then you aim for that high, so you're gonna be holding it for some time. Okay, so that you can also do the same thing for New Zealand CAD. But I think where I got my entry was here. I bought this candle after this one closed, after rejecting the low. This one closed above that. I bought this candle and I left my stop loss below that, and I'm looking for a move up here. So this is how the trade looks like. Okay, that's how the trade looks like. Now, once we break above, once we break above this high, then I'll anticipate maybe a pullback and then buy more to continue going up. Okay, so that is all for now. I'll touch base with you tomorrow, same time. Take care. And again, I apologize for the network. I don't know what to do with this computer. I probably need to get a new one. So just to fix this network issue. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll see you tomorrow.